Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make apple pie turnovers. First, begin with 2 sheets of store-bought puff pastry, ensuring they are thawed but still cold. Unfold each sheet carefully onto a lightly floured surface. Using a sharp knife or pastry wheel, cut each pastry sheet into 4 equal squares, yielding 8 squares total. This quick start saves time and ensures a flaky base for your delicious turnovers. Next, let's prepare our delicious apple filling. In a saucepan, combine 2 cups of finely diced apples, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and a pinch of nutmeg. Cook this mixture over medium heat for about 5 minutes until the apples begin to soften. Stir in 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to thicken the filling, then let it cool completely before assembling. Now for the fun part, assembly. Place about 2 tablespoons of the cooled apple filling onto 1/2 of each pastry square. Fold the other half of the pastry over the filling to create a triangle shape. Use a fork to firmly crimp the edges, sealing the turnovers completely. Brush the tops with an egg wash for a golden finish. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 18 minutes until they are beautifully golden brown. Finally, let's add a sweet finish to our turnovers. In a small bowl, whisk together 1 cup of powdered sugar and 2 tablespoons of milk until smooth. Once your turnovers have cooled slightly, drizzle this delicious glaze generously over each one. This simple step adds an extra layer of sweetness and a beautiful presentation. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade apple pie turnovers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.